Hello, this will show you how to get to the resources for today's homework assignment on growth and fixed mindsets. I'm at the Century College homepage and I scroll down to the bottom to click on Library. And from the library there's a neat thing that you can go and see is the Research Assistant, and this is based on subject. So if you scroll down you'll see Reading. So these are databases that are set up for that work really well for the reading department. So I clicked on Reading, then I hit Go, and we're going to look for articles. So you see over the top here, background sources, articles, books and ebooks, websites, but we want articles. So I click on Articles. If you're at home, you may get a login. That would require your student email and password, just like you use at school. Now, here, the top part is you can find articles by reading levels, and in the bottom these are also great sources, but they don't have that function. And what I want you to use today is the student resources in context, because it's going to be really at a decent level. Sometimes you can get to stuff that's written for people with PhDs and you're reading it and they're going, what in the world? But this is great. So I clicked on it, takes a second. And so at the very top here, here's the search, right? Just for future reference, you can see you can kind of click on areas. It already has certain things set up for you. But we are looking for fixed and growth mindsets, right? So type in fixed and growth mindsets, hit return, and this one we've got looks like 10 sources, right? Which isn't bad. This is probably what we need, but sometimes if you aren't getting enough, it's your search. So if I just went to fixed mindsets instead of both, we'll see what we get. Now we have 14, right? So but fixed and growth mindset, you can try out those different ones and see which articles you get. Now, for these, you'll be able to click on them. And what's really nice, I think can be nice if you like this, is you can click listen. And when you do, a player will come by and it will actually read this. Now, it's a computer voice, so it's not the greatest, but you can actually hear it as you read along. So, for this homework, you go to the library, then you want to search, click down on this Research Assistant for reading, and that will take you to articles and then student resources, right? And once you get to student resources again, right, just click in growth mindset, fixed mindset, or growth and fixed mindset. And you can always watch this video again if you get stuck at any spot. This is for the articles. Another way that you can look for this particular assignment is you can, because there's some good stuff here, go to YouTube. Right? Stay away from the cat videos and the dog videos because you're not going to get your homework done. But if you type in fixed and growth mindset, you can see a lot of people have already done this, and because that category pops up. And now you've got everything from a 1 minute to 10 minute, 4 minute videos. Carol Dweck is a person we're actually going to read an article by her in the future. But if you go this route, I want you to click. Just because the one is 1 minute doesn't necessarily mean that's your best. Check it out for sure, right? But don't forget some of the other ones. And in this homework, you'll want to be taking notes and be able to explain the difference between growth and fixed mindset, as well as saying what a mindset is. So whether you go through the videos or the articles, you want to make sure that you'll be able to say on the next day in class, what's a mindset, what's the growth mindset, a fixed mindset, and characteristics of each. Right. Good luck and have fun.